I'm going to show you how to install the Visual Studio Code installer. And the Visual Studio Code installer contains all the tools that you can use for app development, software development, game development. And so what you're going to do, first of all, you open your browser and then you're going to search for VS Studio Code, the installer. And you can see that it will take you to the default Visual Studio Code installer website, which is visualstudiocode.microsoft.com. Remember, the installer is different from the main Visual Studio Code software. The installer is a software that you can install, and then through it you can download the needed tools as you install it. And so you hit on the website and it will take you to the installer, and you can see that the Visual Studio Code installer page has been shown, and the Visual Studio Code is a product of Microsoft. And here you can see the different edition. The community edition, powerful IDE, is free for students, open source. The professional IDE, best suited for small teams. The enterprise, scalable end-to-end solutions for teams of any size. And so what I'm going to be downloading in this case is the community edition. And so if you want to go for the professional edition, you can download it and they'll give you a 90 days trial where you can try it for free, and then after that you have to pay. But I'm going to go for the community edition, so I'm going to click on the free download, and you can see that the download has started, and we'll wait for it while it downloads and then we can run the installation. So we are going to run our installed VSC code installer. So I go to my downloads. We have downloaded it, so I double click on it and then I wait for the installer to install. And so this is the Visual Studio installer, and first what you're going to do is to accept their terms of privacy. So click on continue and then we wait for the download to begin. Okay, so the Visual Studio has successfully downloaded and installed. Okay, as we can see, this is the Visual Studio Code installer, and so you can see the interface here, and here we can select the packages that we want to install. You can see that first here we have the web development package. We can use it to build a website, web applications using HTML and JavaScript. And here we have the Azure development. Here we have the Python development. You can use it to develop and debug your Python code. And let me scroll down a little bit, and you can see also we have universal Windows development, where you can create applications using C++ that can run on any Windows platform, and also desktop development with C++ and mobile app development with C++. So these are the packages that you can install with Visual Studio Code installer, the community edition, and also we have the Unity edition for game development. And when you tick the box, it will be added to your download, and you can see the total space required will start to increase. And also you can see the development for Linux and the rest. And so you select the package which you want to use. So for example, let's say you want to run Python and you want to develop apps on your system that can run on mobile. So what you have to do is you go, you scroll down, and you can see mobile development with C++. And you can see here we have building cross-platform applications. Cross-platform applications are applications that can run on different platforms, iOS, Android, or Windows. So you select it, and then you can see some features which you can add to your package. So when you come by the right hand side, you can select any of them, and so as you need. So you can see Windows SDK, Windows 10 SDK that you may be required to run your application and test run it. And then If you want to run Python programming, all you have to do is to click on the Python development and Python will be added to it. And you can see you can select the option for Python 3 to download it if you already have it. And also you can download the Python web support. And so if you're a web developer, you want to build website, you can go to the first one, select it, and also add the Node.js development kit. And you can see that the total space required is 35.2 gig. So you can either choose to install it while you download, or you can download all and then install. And so after it has finished installation, you'll be presented with a menu where you can create a new project, and then you can specify what you want to do, whether it's to develop an app or a game, depending on what you have selected here. And you can also change the location. So you can select the location where you want to install your packages and where you want the catch file to be stored. So you can also edit where you want your SDK to be stored and the rest of that. And also you can install different language packages using the Visual Studio Code installer. And also you can choose to specifically install single components such as the Net Framework SDK, Net Framework 5.0, and you can install them on your system. And so when you have selected the component you want to install, you click on install. And you can see that it will begin installing the packages, and when it is completed you see 100%. And then if you download it before installation, you will see the 100% before it will start manually installing them on your system. And so as you run, you can also go to the available menu and you can see another Visual Studio version available for you. So you can see the version 17.51 Studio, the Enterprise, and the Professional. You can also choose any of it, and then you can start using it to build your apps, to build websites, to develop games, and do lots of development stuff. And so guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you do, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and have a wonderful day. Thanks. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section below and I'll respond to you immediately. Thanks and God bless you.